Today is January 17, 2022, and there is a snow blizzard in Canada. You can see so much snow has accumulated already, and it is still snowing. These are my stairs leading up to my front door, and they are fully covered in snow. And look at the threshold. It's way inside, and there is snow accumulating against my door. And that's my backyard. You can see it's pretty windy out there. All the snow has accumulated into this corner. That patch is empty, and then there is a lot of snow at the back over there. Super windy outside, and there is a lot of snow accumulated on top of those houses at the back. Look at this accumulation. And that's the view from my garage. The entire street is covered with snow. It's pretty windy out there.